Jai Hind to all. My name is Aarti Chaudhary, and in today's lecture, we will discuss about the topic that is a cybercrime, which is a topic in cybersecurity. It is a target for the second year students for the CS, IT, EN, mechanical. This is a common subject in all the branches. So we will see that the what is a cybercrime, how the cyber criminals have a mind of doing it, what are the plans, what are the things they will indulge into it. So what is the things we will see in that subsequent lectures are the what is a cybercrime, what is the definition of cybercrime. When we are saying that this is a crime, this is how do we say that this is a cybercrime? Where the word will be originated by the cyber side? What is the information security? What are the need of the information security in when we are using a cybercrime things? Who are the cyber criminals of? We will distinguish that this is a cybercrime. Now, the how who are the criminals of it? So cybercrime criminals. What is the classification of cybercrime criminals? What is the global perspective of using a cybercrime? How we can use a net zine technology by the cybercrime to make a mantra that this data is been secured, it has not been hacked, it has not been tempered, this has not been lost or duplicated. By all these plans, what is the mindset of a criminal when they will plan an attack in a cyber criminal things? Next, what is a cyber security? Social engineering, what will we say? Next, we are having a cyber stalking. What we are seeing that what are the cyber stalkings, cyber cafe, cyber criminals, and what are the botnet are net. When we have seen the movies of Hollywood, na they are zombies. So this is about net. When we are affected one computer, it will affected a networks of computer. We will see that. So this is a fuel of the cyber security. And what is a attack vector? This is the first unit I'm covering of the cybersecurity, and these are the topics were to be discussed. What is cybersecurity? There was two terms, that is cyber and security. Cyber is, we are saying that computers, internet, that's the cyber. Crime is something bad thing, something unethical thing will happen is called this. So when we are saying that some unethical thing is happening with computers or internet, we will say a cyber crime to it. So this is like by stealing information, by stealing the personal data, by stealing some manipulation. So these are the things that will come into a category when we are seeing the cybercrime to it. So this is the two terms we will see that doing cyber is related to computers and this crime is related to doing bad things we have. In 1990, we will see that globally, because in not globally, we are having a term accepted that something is going to illegally happening into a digital space. Then we are using a cyber crime into it. Then what is information security we do it? Information security is like a superhero, you can say a digital superhero. When bad things will happen to our information which is present online, then this superhero will take a right guard, right access to your digital information, because you know that when you are in today's era, all things are digital. Your pin code are also saved on digital. We are saying that your card details, your pin codes, your all the necessary details, your 10, 12, all that thing, all things will be used or manipulated by any other person. So this thing has to be secured by the information security. It's act as a guardian to it, and only a right person can access to it, and your digital information has to be secured. So what is the importance? It is important because when we are saying that Modi ji is saying that we have to things making all the things online, we are making it digital, so that the thing cyber criminals will be active and there was more cybercrime will happen to it. So cyber information security is act like a digital diary, and with it locks it, and in your personal informations and all that data has to be saved. If we are not using an information security and other things, it's like a open book to it. The key perspective by using it is the confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality, your information has to be safe. This is a confidentiality thing we are saying here. Next is all that integrity. All the data has to be not tampered. Every data has to be accurate. No tampering has to be done. No change into it. So integrity has to be maintained. This is a CIA mark, which is in a information security. Next is available. You will access your information globally everywhere. So this is not the constraint by using an information constraint. These are the three constraints we have to be key aspects we are using here. Then what are the common threats to our information security? What are the common threats? How can we, because everything have a threat to it. So there was a malware, phishing, and DOL, and a middle and man in middle attack. These are the things which really account into an information security aspect. That is, when we are saying malware, any disturbance, any virus will come to your computers, any damage when unauthorized access, all these things will happen to our information. Unethical hacking will be. Phishing is this, we are having a sensitive information and any untrusted person will authorize it. This is a measure. The DOS attack, we are having in the DOS attacks, we are having many networks, many website are incapable to having a request, and they are having that denial of service attack will be happening to it. Man in middle attack, it is when there was a two communication, when parties having two communication, and they will in the middle one, the middle third party will steal the data, manipulate the data, is a man in middle attack has to be there. Then what are the cyber criminals? Then what are the cyber criminals? Cyber criminals are the bad person who will change the data, who will temper the data, who will unauthorized access the data and sell it other way. They are doing for money also. This thing is going for the money also. So they will have a computers, they have do a naughty things, and they will access the control, and they will sell it to anywhere. So what is the features of it? That anyone can be a cyber criminal. You, me, anyone can be, and there was no qualified person. You have to be a cyber criminal. Your neighbor also, across the world also, in everywhere you know also. So no specific look of the cyber criminal. Everyone is to be. There is no criteria for using it. Digital rule breaker, that you break the rules by doing all the stealing of the information, by virus spreading, troubling the manipulating, deleting, all that thing, naughty thing you want to do, is a cyber criminal can do it. Okay. So what are the classification of cyber criminals? It is an individual level. It is against the property. It is against the organization. It is against the cyber in the society. So starting from the individual level, my personal information is being tampered. Property level, any illegal paper will be there, or your land is sold to any person without knowing your knowledge by fake signs and all. Organization, they will getting a data of any organization. They will taking a data of sales data, accounts data, by without knowing them that they are taking their data. They are stealing their data. Against the society also, when they are all this will affect the society also. So starting with individual level, email spoofing. When you know that you are owner of any email ID, email header, and other one is forging you, that writing a mail and then sending to other person, but you are not the one who is sending the mail. The other source is sending your mail by using your email header. So this is known as a email spoofing into it. Then the spanning is that when we have multiple copies, when we want that network will be busy in sending the copies of unsophisticated mails or massive mails or a chain of mails, to make that network busy, to not to do useful work to it. We are making the network busy to spamming of the mails, by making that the network will be busy in that useless things. But when the useful will it not busy in the useful things, so it will affect the it is a cybercrime against the individual. Harassment and the cyber stalking is that when someone is individually active on the internet, when you are also active at your Instagram and Facebook and others, so what were they will stalk you, that the person is using this page, this like, and they want to go out, they will stalk it to it, and they will use as your, it will against you by using Usenet groups, by chat rooms, by they by this stalking they you, and they will use against you that you are using this. So these things will be against the individual, they will use as a cybercrime to it. Or to the organization, against the organization, there was an unauthorized access to a computer because the informations are informations are saved. Second one is property. Yeah, in the fraud related properties like credit card fraud, yeah, any card is stolen, gets stolen, your pin is also stolen, your money is gone. So all these crimes are against the property. They will include the secure software privacy, when you are not taking a legally authentication that this software has to be produced and then after will be distributed, but you are illegally making a copy of it. Like Microsoft CD will be there, and they are having a CD in which we are having making a copies of it. Then we are saying that this is a privacy, we are making a pirated copies of it. Copyright infringement, when you are not taking any permission for the copyright material, that the copyright material without making any proper permission of it. Trademark violation, using trademark violation or right to without taking permission you from the actual holder, and you are using that by transferring any land to a person without knowing that the original person will come into it. The next is theft to a computer source code. They are destroying, they are misusing that source code to a computer without knowing the actual prevention. Internet time theft, in which the individual will use your internet hours by an unauthorized person, and which will actually paid by the other person. So when we are saying that you are stealing the internet time theft, so that the thing, they will not paying it and they are using your net also. So these all things we are against the property. Next is against the organization also. They are unauthorizing access to a computer. You are having an accessing to a computer network without permission of the owner. Next is divine of service. They are flooding of servers by the continuous request, so that the useful thing will be delayed or the server will be crashed. There was two situations here. We will not use as a useful information will be transferred, or the server will be crashed. So this is the thing. They are making at an organization to do a cyber crime against it. Next is virus attack. All the virus attack, worms, backdoor entry, all the attack so that the information will be modified, evolved into it. Next is email bombing. Bombing is continuous individual large mails that to make that server to be crashed against the organization. Trojan house attacks also. Well, all are the list of the cyber crime criminal will do to make a steal information against the organization to it. Next is against the society, forgery. When they are making a revenue stamps, currency notes, fake currency notes, mark sheets also with the high quality scanners and printers for it. Web hijacking. Hackers were gained in control of the website to another, even that they will change the content of fulfilling the political objective or for the money. For the money also they are doing for it. So all these things are the cybercrime against it, the society and all. What is the global perspective of using a cybercrime is because we don't have any boundary of it. India will do it, China will do it, America will do it. There is no literally boundary of using a cybercrime. Anyone can take our data from anywhere, from everywhere. So you can don't follow a country line of it. So they were everywhere from different countries will work together and they will have a bad access to it. Digitally challenge everywhere because we know that in today's scenario we are having a thing that we are shifting from the manual to the digital furniture. So there was just not a problem of one place. Everywhere there was a problem that we are having a digital troubling and everything has to be online and that information has to be saved or not leaked by any other person. So this is a main concern right now in 2025 also or onward also because everything will be gone online. So what is a cybercrime era? It is a time, it's a living time where data is digital miscraft or data stealing is very common to it. So surviving mantra for the NetZine is a rules to safeguard your things. Okay, so what are the net mantra? NetZine is like citizen. We are having a citizen. We are living in India. This sin is between the net because we are having a online thing. So we are NetZine right now. Okay, the what are the mantras we are having? Be cyber aware that the any cyber crime will happening, so we should aware of it. We use a trusted websites like HTTPS. If we are writing in a web browser, we will HTTPS, only the trusted website. Use the strong password also. They were saying that you will use a one uppercase, one lowercase, some special characters will be there, numerical characters will be there. So there was a maximum to make a password very strong. Next is secure personal information by using DigiLockers as on all that. Keep software updated because we know that the when software will launch, there was a maintenance part in which we will say that the data, the software will be updated. If any loophole will be come into it, we will give a update to it. WhatsApp will give a update to it. So any worm, any thing will make it that any problem will come, they will make a update to it. You will update it and then the problem will be resolved to it. Install the antivirus or software also. In the antivirus, they will when any virus will come, they will detect it and they will restrict to it. Okay, so any specialization matlab mails also, because spam mails, we are seeing that spam mails are very common to it. So all these are the, you are be a cyber aware, you are potentially a online threat to it. Strong passwords also updated also. We are conscious about don't trust any mail which is writing as free, you will get this free. So you will don't click on their attachments. Use a trusted site to it. Use a person, secure your personal information and install the agent. So how the you will say a crime, criminal plan the attack. The criminal will see that there was identifying the weak points. That these are the weak points we can work in. Exploring the vulnerability, social engineering, deploy malware deployment, and plan a traffic attack routes through it. The weak points when the system is vulnerable, these are the weak points to it. Exploring the way we will get the gain the unauthorized access to it. And next is social engineering. They are tackling the information that is not socially active to it. Malware deployment, you are spreading the virus to a computer. And planning a target route, they will execute your unethical thing to get access to it, and then after you get access, you will get a money from while selling to a other person. So this is a cyber offense where you will a criminal target a weak point and break in wakes to vulnerabilities and dispute into tools or viruses, malwares to it, and plant entry and exit to make a route to it. So what is social engineering? Social engineering is a digital margin magic trick, and when the criminal is use charm, manipulation, and to trick the people by using the information or doing something that shouldn't. That is phishing they will using, in pretexting they using a they are using a quiz and surveys, impersonated. They are giving a message that this is free, this is so low. They will attract you, and then after they will make you a spy to it, and you will, if you get into it, then your information is to be gone. So phishing is making a females and sensitive information and any free type of thing, 100% free for up to this time. Anyone will click it and then after get access to it. Pretexting the information, making a scenario that I know you was this by using your information. They will make a posing that they was a trusty person to get the information. They are trusty and you will access that information to them. Next, makes making a quiz and surveys by making that if you are stressed, then answer these questions. You will have a set of questions and you will try to fill it by the radio buttons also, or text also, or ticks also. So you will they know me very well, and thereafter you will come into that track and they will get information of yours. So pretending that they are your friends, but they are not your friend. They are here to get your information. This is a social engineering. Next is cyber stalking. Cyber stalking is what we are perceiving unwanted. They are taking your advantage that they are stalking you online. They are knowing that how you are doing your things. You are making this up to 2 o'clock. You will use internet. Up to 5 o'clock. You will use like this. So they are having a patterns to it. A person. So they are following you online and proceeding unwanted harassment and digital method. So this is monitoring also, harassment also, threats also, unwanted attention also. They are also making that making a person emotional, physiological, mentally they will unstable you. They will control you according to it. So this is a thing by a cyber because they have to make you discomfort and potentially putting that digital thing to a risk. So you will do something what they will say to you that if you want something, so they will put you into a situation that you will feel helpless, and your things are there in their hands, your messages, your online tracks, your all that things will be in their hands, and they are making you a person that will able to do everything at this situation. So they are making that a person. So these are the criminals having a mindset of this. So what are the cafe in which we are having a digital hyper hang spot where the computers and internet are there, and your individual can use that, and you're not using a personal computer. They are having a computers and internet to it, and they are used for play games also, works on project also, online services also, all that thing. What are the feature? Accessing what we do is accessing the computer also for the internet connection, for the web browsing also, for the gaming also. Commonly used for socializing and security and work for it. What are the cyber crimes we are having? We are having a cyber crimes, online fraud, malware attacks, identity theft, phishing and hacking of your information we are having. So all that unauthorizing action, access to a computer or a network, sensitive information like fake mails, etc. They will get your information. Identity theft is stealing your information, personal information. Malware attacks, all the attacks, harmful softwares, viruses will come into your computers. Fraud like online fraud, like they are gaining money from your for the sensitive information they will get at. Next is impact. What is the financial loss? They are having a individual or business financial may loss. Privacy loss, disturbance, they will emotionally they will be attached, they will have stress also, overthinking also. The prevent by using a user install software antivirus. Be conscious that when you are online, then it's not the person you will make a situation. Don't put your personal information to it. Next is what is a botnet? Botnets are the zombies, digital zombies, army. When the computer network, because we know that computer is a network of internet is a network of computers. One computer is connected to other. The network of computer is affected by controlled by a single entity, that is a cyber criminal, and they are become a zombie to it. Botnet we can say. The botnet is infected computer which work together without the owner's performance to make an invention. So they are infected they are controlled and they are coordinated. So they are making a team of zombies, and then after they will work according to a cyber criminal. They want to work any person information, any deleting of information, manipulating of information, tampering on things, so they will make it. Zombie fuel, how they fuel is the distributed power. In the distributed power, the zombies provide attackers with a distributed and powerful network, making it harder to trace and version because they are using a command prompt. Because when we are saying that we are having a cyber criminal, that they are using not the any Windows software they will use it. They use Linux, Unix softwares for it, to work into it, because they are not having a trace or harder to trace because they are using a Linux, or they are working on a command prompt. They are not having any GUIs and all that. Multi-purpose use they will use by the various cyber criminals, from the launching the massive DDoS attack to sending a spam files. So all these are the fuels for the botnets also. What is the last thing which we will see, that attack vector. In attack vector is a finding a point, a secret entry point. It is a path or a method where the cybercriminal used to gain unauthorized access to a computer and network. So by the thing we were phishing, drive-by drones, zero-day exploits, all these are the types of the attack vectors. So in the subsequent, in the introduction of cybercrime, we will see what is a cybercrime, what is the use of information security when we are talking about cybercrime, who are the cybercriminal, how they can plan the cybercrime to according to it, what are the types of the cybercrime by the individual level also. They are hurting also, they are hurting the organization also, they are hurting the society also, they are hurting the property also, they are taking our property. So they are emotionally, they are targeting everywhere to it, to make that person uncomfortable, loneliness situation, and when the person will go for a depression at the situation, they will take advantage of it. So they are making that thing. So when we are saying that we are going online, then the thing has to be making that data has to be secure, your data is not being used by any other person, is available when they are using it. So all that thing has to be come into our mind. Then what are the what is the botnet? We will see that what is the type of cyber crime into it. So starting from the first video what we have discussed, that the word the cyber crime definition also, where the word come from, what is the uses of the information security when we are using cyber crime into it, what is the cyber criminals, but when the bad guy is doing bad thing, that the person is a cyber criminal to it. What is type classification of the cyber crimes by the against the individual also, against the property also, against the organization also, against the society also. So all 4 points will come here into that part. Then there was a global perspective of the of cyber criminals. What is the global perspective? How they are? There is no boundary of it. They will take data from anywhere. There is no country line there. So what are the cyber criminal era? What are the mantras? You will see that how the cyber criminals will attack the computers. Socially engineering is there. Why they will take us cyber stalking to us to making activity. They will take a track of the activities and all. And what are the cyber cafe? This is a space where the data is, where we have computers also, internet also. They can use it because this is a cyber space or to it. Botnets is like a zombies. They will affect one thing is affected. They will affect the full network to it. This is a fuel to it. So this is the vector, and next we have a attack vector. So this is a whole we have discussed in this PPT, as it is the first unit for the what is a cyber introduction to a cyber crime to it, by using a thing cyber criminal also. What are the cyber criminals, how they can plan it also, and what are the cyber the crime we are having. So information security will help into it. So how we will see that the introduction of the cyber security will evolve with the starting with the cyber crime what we are having, because in today's scenarios we are going digital. Cyber crime definitely increase day by day to it. So they will see that in next slides. In the next section, we will see the other things also. What are the tools to using it, the cyber, what are the laws we are using it, what are the threats to a mobile, because we are known as wireless devices, that is laptop, phones, all that thing. So how they are not affecting, how we will secure the data on them also. So all the tools we are having, all the services, you can say is of forensic thing will be happen when we are having an email forensic also, network forensic also, and all the laws when the data is gone tempered, then what are the laws for me to make my data recover, and there was a law to that the data is recovered, you have a penalty to other person which have. So all these things that come into a picture from first to fifth. This is the first unit first of the cyber security. In our next session, we will see the other topics also. Okay, thank you.